Hi all, welcome to the short video of how to create the forming tool in SolidWorks. Today with you, I am Sabin Jones, Customer Success Specialist in Conceptual Software Technologies.
Today I am showcasing you to how to create a sheet metal kitchen sink with various punches and holes by the help of forming tool. You can see there are multiple holes and multiple punches are available in this sheet metal. These all things I have created by the help of forming tool. Here already I have created a shape for my forming tool. So these all shapes I have created by the help of part design. So once we completed the shape, we can move to the sheet metal module. From there we can take the forming tool option. In that forming tool option, we have two options are available: stopping face and face to remove. Stopping face, until where we need to punch, that face we will select. Face to remove is if we want to create any holes or cutting in the sense, that area we need to select. Here I am selecting two face of my kitchen sink. Once we selected all these things, after that directly we can click OK. It will convert it as a foam tool. Here you can see three color. Blue color belongs to stopping face, yellow color belongs to the punching, red color belongs to the removing face, which means cutting. Next we need to save this file into the following location for the forming tool location. So what I am doing in the sense, file, save as, then here I am giving the location for saving the forming tool. After that, just I am giving the name for that one. I am giving name it as a kitchen sink. Then save as type as I am giving it as foam tool. Obviously we need to save this as a foam tool format, then only it will work. Once I given the name, just I am click save. After that, just I am refreshing the design library. So here we can see our kitchen sink forming tool has created. Now I have opened one of my sheet metal part. So here I need to punch the kitchen sink shape. So just I am opening the design library. From there, forming tool, I am dragging the kitchen sink forming tool to the top of the sheet metal. Here you can see the multiple option for flip. Even you want to rotate in the sense angle we can give. Then position is one of the important thing. Position we can do by the help of dimensionally or else geometrically also. Here I am applying the coincidence. Once done the positioning, after that directly we can click OK.
By this method only, we are creating the custom forming tool. Other than that, there are multiple forming tools are available in our design library. For that, we can open our design library. In that, we can select the forming tool folder. There you can see the multiple shapes and all. So these all are the predefined shapes. These things also we can use in our sheet metal. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching this video.